Taragataruk Suba Manipur State Film Award Lesangani Kunga Marik ngasi Lantoki Bagaloinana Sagnai Rabba Makeup Artist Samasung Art Director Ngangbam Swarnajita MSFDS Lifetime Achievement Award Kutsinakre. Manipur State Film Development Society na Sinduna Society as Auditorium the Pangtok Patauram da Governor Ajay Kumar Balana Luchingduna Award Singasi Kutsinaki. Award yanthokpagi thauramadu non-feature film gi category da Dr. Meena Longzamna direction pi ba Andro Dreams na best non-feature film, best director, best cinematography amsung best editor gi mana fangki. Khaba Maimomna ahanba oina direction pi ba Kotha Fam Kabana best film as debutant amadi Amarjit Maibam na direction pi ba Untiring Women na special jury mention fangki. Feature film की category da Mai Pakshana Haurongbam na direction piba Marai Bakningba, Hera Chandra na best feature film, best audiography, sound designer, best editor, best makeup artist amasung best music direction, background score gi mana fangki. Loina na film masigi actor Naurem Pilot na best actor male, Yengkhom Ingocha na best supporting actor male gi mana fangki. Film masigi costume designer Mayang Lambam Ratan na special jury mention gi mana so fangki. Haubam Paban Kumar na direction piba Joseph San na best director, best screenplay, adapted, best cinematography, best audiography, location sound recordist, best editor, best lyricist ki mana fangki. The Tamo Sarmanap direction piba Thambal, The Legacy of Celestial Flower gi actor, Pinky Shaikom na best actor female, Ningthauzam Rina na best supporting actor female amasong Lamngan Bilaishram na best child artist ki mana fangki. Film asigi art designer Inaucha Sarma Samurai Latpam na best art designer gi mana fangki loinena Shaishakpa Arvin Soibam amasong Nganthoibi Ningthauzam na best playback singer gi mana fangki. Thauramadu kamari lainana wangang bada Governor Balana Manipuri cinema na lamdam asigi top cultural heritage uthokpada lauriba thaudang bu singthaki. Loinana filmmaker singna innovative oiba cinema kaya puthoktuna makha tana India amasung masigi wangmada lairiba audience singda Manipuri cinema gi mahau yauhanba ngamnaba hotnarakani haibagi thajaba thamki.
The Manipur State Film Awards have an important role in recognizing artistic excellence, encouraging emerging filmmakers, strengthening the film culture of the state, and promoting Manipuri cinema beyond regional boundaries. Such platforms not only honor achievements but also inspire future generations to pursue cinema with greater dedication and purpose. I would especially like to encourage young filmmakers to continue exploring new stories, new perspectives, and innovative cinematic techniques. At the same time, it's important that we preserve our local stories, languages, traditions, and values.
Thauramadu saruk yakiba Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana cinema na miyam da piba kanaba singi matangda fongdok laduna Manipuri cinema hena chawkhat na bohon nabada angamba mateng pangani Manipuri cinema se equipment amasung facility watpa na maram oiraga mapung fa na chawkhat hanba ngamdri hairaduna audience masing yam dabadagi hauraga limitation kaya amasu lairi haike. Thauramadu Art and Culture Minister K.H. Loken Mari Lainaba official sing film artist sing amadi film bunung si jaba miyoi sing na saruk yaki.
Manipuri film cinema se koi equipment wat pa tuan facility kya wat padagi masi koi hena sang thuan bangam de aidana takbi gi badu ai thudong na la vidren khali maram di ai koi film industry si sigi limitation mayam ni jaba hai tai koi population jam da bagi masi ai koi na karam mong da ai di karam mong da tuan but even ai koi na Kolaram Busapada Natraga Bangkok Sapada cinema, South cinema sibi. South cinema si every human in the Saudi says, yeah, I am the young Papawisi. So I don't like so Karen si Kumang Sapsana Wanabada, I swung a Mating Bangs again.